Hi. What are you playing? Oh, I'm playing Breath of the Wild. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I definitely recommend the game. I think I'm gonna get it eventually. I just haven't done it yet. But I haven't heard anything bad about it, so I'll probably get it eventually. No, yeah, definitely. Hey, what's that? What's that noise? Oh, this is the map sound effect, like when you open the map. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, no. Makes sense. Yeah. Do you have to open the map that often? Honestly, no.